I put on from my city, on from my city. I don't know if you remember that song. I think it was Young Jeezy or Young something. All right. So today, what I want to talk about is talk to the city folks or the town folks. Okay. Who city staff or town staff, right? So if you have a city and you like to help bring more engagement in the city for visitors, for residents, people who are just passing by, for the businesses, for your local businesses, to help them thrive, help them get them going, and things like that. I would recommend to get a mobile app to help complement your services. The thing is, websites are great, social media is great, but when people want to access information, they want to access information quickly, and they don't need to like Google or search a lot of things, right? So they know if I go to this app, this is where I'm gonna get some information that I need. You can be able to city relevant information and data, right? Help them find places of interest, historical sites, attractions like parks, offices, and things like that. You can also to help open up community forums within the app, and be able to allow residents to report incidents and at least get feedback from the people. Um, and whenever you have like breaking news, you can be able to send out push notifications to help people help get them receive the information quickly. And pretty much, as you know, depending on where you live, the weather. You need to know the weather. There are so many weather apps out there, but this will be kind of like an add-on on the app, so I don't think it's a must. But yeah, all right. So that's what I wanted to kind of give an idea on how you can the city and the town folks, the staff, can be able to use an app, help them to be able to engage with their residents and visitors. As you know, recommended platform DIYapps.ca. That's the platform that we recommend. That's the platform we're able to help and get you going. So once you're on the DIYapp.ca, you land on this page. Click on Get Started. So we have a bunch of what do you call this? Pre-made templates, right? You can always pick one and modify it the way you want, or you can start from scratch. Oh, I see you, man. Guys, raving up. All right, so let's pick city guide. Loading, loading, loading. All right, so we pick this one. All right, so as you can see, you can have a lot of information on the first page. Sorry, let me yeah, and then you can promote some points of interest, as you can see. You can be able to set up residents reports. They can be able to report crime. So this you don't need necessarily build one on the app platform. You can always link it to something existing already. So you don't need to rebuild. So that's the beauty about using our platform. You can promote city activities and events, locations, points of interest, same thing, feedback, community updates. You can be able to set up those, the weather, the city directory. So if you want to, people can contact them directly. Yeah. So first things first, it should be second, but first things first was going to the platform. Okay. Click on start. Put your city name. We can say government, right? Because it's a government, right? Local, municipal, federal. So then we do put your first name, put the website, email, password, agree to the terms, and you get started. So when once you get started, click on get started. It should take you to this app dashboard, right? Nice, simple, not really hard to use. Just take your time, no rush. So we have this section here. Sorry, this section here is get started. Just a short video you can watch. Plugin tutorials, and then we have our platform tutorials and then product updates. So nice and laid out. We do have learn more. So you can always, if you want to learn more, you can come here, um, see on how different apps have been built, which features they are using, and this will be like core features, market fair features. Like you can learn more. Right now, this will we have highlighted the major things that people use mostly. All right, so that's your knowledge base. Um, are we on this one? The other one I wanted to say is the upgrade. So once you are ready, we have your 21 days free trial, and then you have 6 months, $100 off. Use the coupon code DIY apps 100 to get $100 off for 6 months. So that way, I just want to incentivize you to use our platform more. There's nothing much. um, let's say you have your manager, your boss would like to see the progress of the app. Put the phone number here, sends them a link, or it sends you or you put your phone number, send you a link, and you can send the link to multiple people that you would like to send it to. So that way they can be able to see, um, keep up to date on what's happening. All right. The other piece will be language. Let's say you're in somewhere, don't speak English or little English. You can be able to change the language here, to be able to change the platform language, not the app itself. Okay, so this will change only the platform language, help you kind of develop the app to the best way you can. Um, yeah, so let me see. Did I miss anything? No, if you want to search, you can search everything. Yeah, so the app is nice and simple, man. Like it's not that hard. Nice, everything nicely laid out. Technically, you can just take this, change the background image, change the text, and you already have an app, like literally. All right. Um, all right. So first things, no, this should be the tag. Yeah. So I'm using that too much. Eh? I'm using it too much. Let me calm down. All right. So home screen. So home screen, this is the first screen that people will be when they open your app. This is the first screen they see. As you can see, it's nicely built. You can add, you can do stuff by Siri. All right, say welcome to my city, right? And you can see it changes up there, so you don't need to change that. You can so this one doesn't have any sub levels, so you can always add different levels if you want. If you check that, you see it just adds it here, right? So the menus up here, those tabs will be the same for all the features. Features, plugins, we use it interchangeably, and you can be able to, depending on the feature itself, you can have more tabs. Talking about the upgrade, different plans will give you different uh, plugins that you can use, right? So if you are if you're on a standard plan, you get standard plug features, premium, so on and so forth, and that will give you access to a robust um, features that you need for your app. Um, so design, so you can see this is the background image that's here. Layout, so this is the design that we have. So as you can see, this particular layout, I don't think it's this layout here, but the way this one is set up, um, this will be these buttons here. And the way you add them, you're using this layout here. And that's how you add them, okay? And then security, if you like to put security, each screen will have a security tab. So you can lock each tab depending on someone's access. And if you want to double down, you can also lock it using the user type. User tagging, the tagging tab, each screen will have this. So the way I use it is each screen I have a different tag that I assign. So whenever someone visits that screen, they get attached to that tag, and then you can use it to market, segment, and also send push notification to specific users who have visited specific tabs. And then you have the in-app purchasing. I don't know if the city will use this, but they like everything going through their internal payment processes. And then analytics. How many people opened it? Your daily users, top users, and details and so on and so forth. All right. So we talked about the features. So let's see how many features are used on this app. So you click on my features here. Wow, it's a lot, right? The other app we looked at was like less than 10, but this one you see they're using a lot because it's a city, man. They have a lot of things going on, so you need as much as you can to get things going, right? And then you can always grab all this from your marketplace. So the marketplace, this is where, as I was talking about, depending on your plugin, depending on your plan, you can be able to get as much as you can, like advanced features, premium features that you can use on your app. And then we have the side menu. So the side menu, usually the way I use this is if you have your home screen and you don't want a lot of buttons on the home screen, you can move them to your side menu. This helps kind of make the app nice and neat and not too much on the home screen. People that they need to scroll all the way down to get some information. So you can separate information that way. You can also use the nav bar. As this app, you can see it has a lot of features, right? So the nav bar helps you. As you can see, they are using the bottom part here. So it helps you with information. If people quick access to information, quick access to some features. So let's see, this will be point of interest. This one will take you back to home. And this will be questionnaires. Okay, reporting an incident. Oh, that's interesting. The address. Mm, okay. All right. Anyways, all right. So let's go back to Navbar. All right, and you can also turn off and turn on if you like. And then we have the intro screens. So the way the intro screen works, you can set it up where before people even get to the home screen, you can have a bunch of screens, just letting them know how the app is, what they expect in the app, and kind of prepping them up to use the app. Uh, we have your design for your branding. So each city, each town, each municipality has their own unique style, own unique branding. So you can come here and change that here. So you can add your icon, add change the name, do the loading screen, change your font. So it may be a font that you like, and also the colors. Now you can change the colors depending on whatever works for your city, for your municipality. And then the media library. So this is where all the images will be stored um, for the app. So this is where everything will be at. Then you have your login screen. So depending on how you want people to log in, they can either log in using their emails or they can log in using uh, Apple, Google. You can always change that here. You can add a bunch of them back if you like. Customize section. So let's say you have different segments that you like to collect data on. You can use the registration form to collect that data for those data points, and it can help you also segment different information on people as they navigate through the app. And then language will be pretty much the text that you have here. And then terms and conditions, commerce, in-app purchases, credit system, depending on how you want to use it. I don't think the city will be using this, but it's more on the municipalities, they like using their own payment processors. Push notification, this is my favorite. You can send push notification anytime, schedule them, group them. Remember talking about the user tags. You can be able to send out push notification to specific user tags. Geofence, you can set up a geofence notification area whenever people go in that area, they get a push notification. Analytics, you can be able to So this is where whenever you send a push notification, it will give you how many people received it, how many devices will receive it, how many people opened it, um, and then how many people clicked on the action button if you had any action, and it gives you like a percentage open rate. Um, yeah. For users, so this is how you can manage all the users in the app. So whoever signed in, they have an account, you can manage them there. The user tags within the app, they are all in there. Um, if you have more admin roles, people who like to admin the app, you can set them up here. Profile language, um, abuse reports, so whoever has been reported that's abusing the app or abusing people, they will all be here, and then you can pretty much either delete, ban, or block, depending on what you want to do. But usually recommend you can ban and block because when you delete, they can sign up again still. Okay. Analytics. This will show you how many people downloaded the app and also how many users you have within the app. And this is where you get that information. Advanced, as you can see, is the advanced stuff. You can set up the permissions if you want to ask more about permissions like location, push notifications, Bluetooth, call, and things like that. Publishing information. So when you upgrade and you want to publish, you can get that information here. Um, your app marketing links, share links, languages, integrations, and so on and so forth. All right. So if you go back to our dashboard, so that I just wanted that's a quick overview run through of the platform itself. Just wanted to show you how you can be able to leverage a mobile app to help your city or your city municipality um, to engage your clients, to engage your residents, visitors, and things like that. Um, I think so. This is city directory. I don't think they have like a business listing thing, but usually if you have a business listing, you can also promote your businesses in the app and help engagement that way. Alrighty. So I don't have any other thing else. Try it out, check it out. DIYapps.ca platform. Message us if you need help at hello@DIYapps.ca. We are here to help and get you going, and appreciate your time. Other than that, have a great weekend. Adios.